Okay, girlies, I need you to be honest with me. How many of you have woken up late for school, looked at the time, and immediately started panicking? You're trying to find your uniform, you can't find one sock, your phone is on 12%, you haven't packed your bag, and suddenly you're eating breakfast while putting on your shoes. And somehow you're still wondering why you left the house looking stressed. Well, we're not doing that this school year. One of the easiest ways to make your school mornings calmer is to stop trying to do everything in the morning. There are so many little things you can prepare the night before that will save you time, stress, and that horrible feeling of running around your room looking for things. So today, we're talking about school morning essentials you should prepare the night before. Grab your water bottle, get comfortable, and let's get our mornings together, girlies. Pick out your outfit. Please don't wait until you're already late to start deciding what you're wearing. If you wear a uniform, make sure it's clean, ironed if necessary, and ready to go. If you don't wear a uniform, choose your outfit the night before. Put everything together, including your shoes and accessories. That way, when you wake up, you don't have to stand in front of your closet having a full fashion crisis at 6:30 in the morning. Pack your backpack. Your morning is not the time to realize you forgot to pack your homework. Take a few minutes before bed to check your schedule and pack everything you'll need. Your books, your notebooks, your pencil case, your assignments, your emergency pouch, your water bottle, anything else you need for the next day. And please check the bottom of your backpack, because that's where forgotten homework goes to disappear forever. Prepare your supplies. If there's anything you'll need specifically for the next day, put it somewhere you'll actually remember to take it. Maybe you have an art project, a calculator, a special textbook, a permission slip. Whatever it is, put it directly inside your bag or right beside it. Because if you leave it somewhere random, there's a very good chance you'll walk straight past it in the morning. Charge your devices. Girlies, opening your laptop or tablet at school and seeing 3% battery, and suddenly you're spending your entire morning looking for a charger. Charge your phone, tablet, laptop, smartwatch, or anything else you'll need for school overnight. And if you carry a power bank, charge that too. Fill your water bottle. Don't leave this until the morning. Fill your reusable water bottle before bed and put it in the fridge if you like your water cold. Then in the morning, you can simply grab it and go. One less thing to think about. Prepare your breakfast. Now, I'm not saying you need to cook a 5-course breakfast at 10 p.m., but if your mornings are usually rushed, think about what you'll eat before you go to bed. You can prepare something simple ahead of time, or make sure everything you need is easy to grab. And if you know you're going to be hungry later, pack a snack for school too. Pack your hygiene or emergency pouch. This is one of those things that takes literally 2 minutes. Check that your little emergency pouch has what you need: pads or liners, tissues, wet wipes, hand sanitizer, lip balm, hair ties, whatever your personal essentials are. You don't want to discover that you're out of something when you're already at school. Prepare your hair tools and accessories. If you know what you're doing with your hair the next morning, put the things you'll need together: your brush, hair ties, clips, headband, whatever you're using. You don't want to spend 15 minutes looking for one missing hair tie while the clock is basically screaming at you. Check tomorrow's schedule. This one is so simple but so helpful. Before you go to bed, look at your schedule for tomorrow. What classes do you have? Do you have PE? Is there a test? Do you need to submit an assignment? Do you have an early class? Knowing what tomorrow looks like helps you prepare properly instead of waking up surprised. Check your homework. Please, girlies, do not make the first 5 minutes of your school morning the time you remember you had homework. Take a quick look at your assignments before bed. Make sure everything is completed, packed, and ready to submit. Your future self will genuinely thank you.
Set your alarm. And I'm not talking about setting one alarm and then putting your phone under your pillow. If you know you're a professional snoozer, set your alarm realistically. Give yourself enough time to wake up, get ready, eat something, and leave without rushing. And if possible, keep your phone away from your bed so you're not scrolling for 30 minutes after your alarm goes off. We know how that story ends. Do your skincare and night routine. One of the best ways to make your morning easier is to actually finish your nighttime routine at night. Take your shower. wash your face, moisturize, brush your teeth. Do whatever makes you feel clean and ready for bed. Then your morning routine can be simple and refreshing instead of feeling like you're trying to do everything at once. Put your shoes and bags somewhere visible. This is such a tiny thing, but it works. Put your shoes, backpack, and anything else you need near the door or in one designated spot. You don't want to be walking around the house looking for one shoe when you were supposed to leave 5 minutes ago. We've all experienced it. Check the weather. This one can save your entire outfit. Before bed, check what the weather is supposed to be like the next morning. Is it going to rain? Is it going to be cold? Is it going to be extremely hot? Knowing ahead of time lets you prepare the right clothes, shoes, umbrella, or anything else you might need. Give yourself a calm night. And finally, girlies, don't spend your entire night preparing for tomorrow. At some point, you need to relax. Put your phone down, finish your routine, get into bed, and actually let yourself rest. Because preparing everything perfectly doesn't help if you're so exhausted the next morning that you can barely function. Your sleep is part of your preparation too.
And that's it, girlies. Those are 15 school morning essentials you should prepare the night before. And honestly, you don't have to do every single thing on this list. Even preparing your outfit, backpack, and school supplies the night before can make your morning feel completely different. Imagine waking up and knowing exactly what you're wearing. Your bag is already packed, your devices are charged, your breakfast is ready, and you actually have time to breathe. That is the kind of school morning we're trying to have this year. So tell me in the comments, what's the one thing you always forget to prepare before school? Is it your outfit, your homework, your lunch, your alarm? Let's see which one our girlies struggle with the most. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us here at Girlies and Bloom for more back-to-school essentials, school tips, study advice, organization, and all the little things that help us become the best version of ourselves. I love you, girlies. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!